In an era where every device screams for its own space, its own charger, its own dedicated corner, our homes, especially our bedrooms, have become battlegrounds. We juggle comfort with utility, aesthetics with practicality. But what if your most essential piece of furniture could do more than just hold a mattress? What if it could simplify, soothe, and even charge your entire digital life? Today, we're looking at exactly that. Product review B0DSL-QY-WXR, a king bed frame that claims to redefine the bedroom. First impressions, straight out of the rather robust multi-box delivery. This isn't some flat-pack nightmare designed to creak after a month. The frame, once assembled, feels monolithic, substantial. The upholstery is a soft-touch leather, cool beneath your fingertips, inviting without being overly plush. It suggests longevity, not just fleeting style. There are no exposed seams, no flimsy panels that flex under pressure. It's engineered to be a centerpiece, not just a place to sleep. It fills the room with a sense of quiet authority, a substantial presence that grounds the space. But the real story unfolds when you start using it. Let's talk about the integrated massage lounge chair. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a dedicated spot tucked neatly into the side, offering a controlled, gentle massage. Instead of carving out space for a separate recliner, or losing precious minutes to a knotted back, you can transition directly from your day's grind to targeted immediate relief, which means less time feeling tense, more time feeling rested. Then there are the twin Bluetooth speakers, woven into the frame itself. No more trailing wires, no more balancing, a tinny portable speaker. This system delivers a surprising depth of sound, creating an enveloping audio experience, perfect for winding down or waking up. It saves you the clutter and expense of a separate audio setup. And for our always connected lives, the two integrated USB ports are a quiet revolution. No more fumbling for wall sockets, no more searching for misplaced chargers. Your phone, your tablet, always topped up, always within easy reach. This isn't just convenience, it's reclaiming your bedside table from a tangled mess of cables. And finally, the storage. This bed isn't just a platform, it's a discreet vault. Underbed compartments and clever side cubbies swallow extra linens, books, or those shoes that always seem to be in the way. It's a silent organizer, giving your room breathing room, saving you the headache of finding a home for everything. Now, no piece of furniture, however smart, arrives without its quirks. The most immediate one you'll encounter is the setup. This is a substantial piece of kit, arriving in multiple heavy boxes. While the instructions are clear, and the engineering surprisingly intuitive for a DIY assembly, this isn't a 30-minute job. It requires patience, a bit of muscle, and ideally an extra set of hands. Don't expect to have it ready for bedtime the same evening. It arrives if you're tackling it solo after a long day. And while the remote for the massage chair is convenient, it is another small item that could disappear into the bedsheets. These are minor quibbles, yes, but worth noting for anyone expecting instant gratification. However, once assembled, once it's locked into place, those initial frustrations melt away. The sheer integration, the thoughtful execution of each feature, begins to justify the effort. This isn't just a bed, it's an ecosystem for your sleep space. If your idea of a bedroom is a sparse rectangle with a mattress, then perhaps this goes a step too far. But if you value intelligent integration, if you want your sanctuary to actively contribute to your well-being and organization, if you appreciate thoughtful design that minimizes clutter and maximizes comfort, then this bed frame is a serious contender. It's an investment, not just in furniture, but in the quality of your personal space. I put the link below so you can check the current price.